I was recently speaking to a client of mine who was facing a lot of health issues, and we were trying to figure out what was happening in his life. He was doing a lot of things correctly. He was taking care of his diet. He was making sure that he was eating a lot of nutritious food and he was not eating a lot of highly processed food. He was also moving his body and making sure that he was drinking a lot of water and he was taking care of all the things he could do externally for his physical health. But still, he found himself to be struggling with his physical health and he was feeling quite disappointed with this whole thing. And he was telling me how he was feeling that all of this effort that he was doing was being pointless because he was still struggling with certain issues with his health. And as we continued with the conversation, what we recognize is that although he was doing all these things for his physical health, he was completely ignoring his mental health. Although he was taking care of his diet or the input that he was providing for his body, he was not conscious at all about the input he was providing his mind. He was consuming a lot of content that was creating emotions of fear, anger, frustration in his mind, which was causing an impact with his body. Imagine there's a plant in front of you, but due to some reason, you're continuously sending it a lot of hatred and anger. With time, do you think the plant will grow healthier or do you think it'll get worse? Same is the impact on our body, right? When we are continuously creating the thoughts of anger, hatred, frustration, helplessness, powerlessness within our mind, all these thoughts and emotions will create an impact on our body, right? Because that is where the impact of our thoughts is first felt. So it's very important to take care of the emotions or the vibrations that we are creating within our mind, within our inner world, because that is where we get to create most impact on our physical health as well. It's not that the two are completely separate. Our mental health will influence our physical health also with time. So it's very important that we take care of our mental diet as well. What is the content that we consume, how much content we are consuming, and how it's making us feel. Pay attention to all these things and pay attention to the emotions that is creating within our inner world. Make sure that we are consciously choosing to consume more of that content that is making us feel good. Feel good not just in the moment, but we are also conscious about the long term impact it can create within us. And make sure that we are consciously consuming more content that makes us feel more empowered, more joyful, more powerful, more strong, and more capable. If we can consciously choose more of those content, that will help us feel more powerful in our own life, and that will also create an impact on our body and our physical health as well. So if you are someone who has been doing everything perfectly in your external reality to take care of your health, but still you're struggling with some issue, then I highly recommend you to try this out and do let me know what you find in the comment section below. I hope you found today's video to be valuable, and if you did, do follow along.